So you get them out of this tray, and then you take them over here, stick them in there, pull their head through, and cut their throat so they'll bleed. Then once they've bleeding for a while, you chop off their head all the way like these.
Is that a humane way?
Yeah, it's humane.
They don't suffer a lot, then they instantly die.
They instantly.
After we let them bleed, then I get them out of the cones and I scald them. So I have to make sure the temperature is correct. I dip them. This takes several minutes. And I do this until their feathers start to loosen. So we can. So I have the 2 birds that I just scalded, and then I'm going to put them in the plucking machine. This is much easier than the old-fashioned way. So I'll drop them in with the water. The machine does all the work. Okay, and when they're done, then I will have clean birds. And I just have a few tail feathers to pull out, neck feathers to pull out, and any that it might have missed. And then I rinse the bird off and take it to paw.
My job is to clean the insides out, get the lungs out, get them good clean on the inside, cut the legs off, and then give them to my daughter Elizabeth.
I just clean out the inside so when you're cooking, you don't have all this. It's clean chicken to make sure it's clean, get everything out, you know.
So you stick your hand down in there?
Yeah, I have to scrape out, like, make sure all the remains are kind of cleaned out. And quality control. So, get all the little feathers off.
What you doing, Libby? Cleaning her out?
Yeah.
And then you put them in the cooler? Wow, let me see in there.
This is not a macaroni noodle. It's the windpipe. And you can blow in it. It's not a bean. It's part of the chicken. It's their, I can't remember what they're called. It's been a while since I've been at school. But you have 2 of them.
Yeah,
so this
those
comes,
are the male
you only
reproduction.
find these in a male chicken, right?
That'd be right.
So, there's another one.
What is this?
It's some kind of, something goes through it. I'm good at terminology. I just clean them out. These are the legs.
What you gonna do with those, young man?
Play the drums.
Oh, yeah.
You see, like, if you don't, you just.
So he gives it to you dirty, and you clean it out.
Well, it's not dirty, but
you have to do all the.
See, I get all this stuff out, because if you don't, it's just gonna